Discover how to pronounce Turducken. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to pronounce turducken. Turducken. Turducken is a legendary American holiday dish that layers flavor by stuffing a deboned chicken inside a duck and then stuffing both inside a turkey. Hence the playful three-bird portmanteau. Because the word merges three animal names, many people stumble over its pacing and syllable stress. Let's slow it down. Turducken. 3 syllables. Primary stress on the second syllable, duck. Start with tur, rhyming with fur, using the voiced alveolar T plus the mid-central vowel, E. Quickly release into duck, voiced D, short W vowel, and a crisp K at the back of your mouth. Finish gently with the schwa-based N, like the un in button, almost disappearing. Link them smoothly. Turducken. Nice job. Now let's explore phonetics. Te ridkin. The retroflex glide, ear R and some American accents after tur can be reduced in British English. Choose whichever fits your accent, but keep the timing consistent. Practice with rhythm tapping. Tap, 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 tap. Turducken. Good. Common pitfalls include over-lengthening the first syllable or dropping the K. Avoid saying turducken. Remember the vowel, not oo. Let's embed the word in sentences. We're serving a turducken for Thanksgiving dinner. Have you ever cooked a turducken from scratch? Notice the natural rise and fall of intonation. Pro tip, smile slightly while pronouncing the N ending. It relaxes your jaw and prevents mumbling. If you find yourself rushing, take a breath between each syllable before blending them again. Visualize stacking colorful nesting dolls. Each layer reminds you of the next syllable. Finally, repeat with me at normal speed 3 times. Turducken. Excellent. When you can say it clearly without thinking, you'll impress friends at any festive gathering. Now it is your turn to pronounce turducken.